e se ngara ummakinge ngai kisia va fea uri comes. Totally. Vai. Sekia kifi wa pokiro mo. Vai da. Oi. Ya wa fi wa fa ku ya wa mo wa. Pinging ay oi, fasig ay oi. Ya wa. Okay, poleri comes. Ila ko fa makrukangan mengay. Tin. Oi, tare.
I'll tag my older uncle Hamole / brother. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, ta-da.
What's up, man? What's up? Yo, what up, man? What's up? What up, man? What's up? Yeah, I got an iPhone 6 right here, man. You guys want to buy it? Yeah, bro. iPhone 6, bro. You want it? Want it, bro? You want it? Yeah, bro. Look mean ass, bro. It's a good one. Want to buy this one, bro? Don't touch it, man. Don't touch it. Don't touch it, bro. Fuck. Hey! Give me my fucking phone! Hey! Dale!
Oi, gosh, just relax, Dad. I'm gonna be home after. I find my relaxing. Go on, mate. I'm sorry, Dad. Dad. Swine. I'm coming here. Dad, look, there's police over there. Oh, mate, if I built King Lilo, cutting a false to Sam. How come you know they're working? You got no offer on, Dad.
What? I can't just piss off solid. Wait, someone like, huh? I'm sorry.
What do you want? Do you want to get back together or something?
Yeah, baby.
I'm over it.
I want you to be mine again, baby. I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. I cannot.
Someone made it paper. Like someone in my mind.
Yo, I know I'm not the only child that did this when we were young. Bro, you sleeping over or what? You already know I'm sleeping over. Well, then go ask your mom. Nah, bro, you gotta ask. Wait, why do I gotta ask? Cause, bro, if I ask, she gonna say no. But if you ask, she gonna say yeah. Bro, you smart as fuck.
What I mean today, man, they come to my house, they broke in, they eat my food, man. And they come and take my underwear outside. It was, man, I cleaned the underwear. What? They take your underwear, sorry. I tell you, I
Freaking hate school. Wait, hi, son. Hey, Mom. Wait, you okay? No, just another bad day at school. Carlo Fi, what happened? Nah, just a fucking... Dolly, just cuss? No, I gotta use the bathroom. Bro, I got a question. What, man? Okay, if you're at a restaurant... Yeah, okay. And you're waiting for a waiter, doesn't that make you the waiter? Stop acting stupid. Wait, is that a good question or what? That's a good ass move.
Hey, Mom. Can I go? Mom, remember that one time when I went to... Yeah, I was wondering if I... There it is. I'm gonna say it straight up. Mom?
What?
Nothing.